Do you want to configure the Nintendo Switch settings to improve your experience? Here is how you can do that. This is the Windows Club. Nintendo Switch is undoubtedly one of the handheld gaming consoles in the market. Its popularity was reincarnated, and since then, it gained much traction. In this guide, we have shown the best Nintendo Switch settings that you should configure. Let's get started. 1. Keep Nintendo Switch storage in check using Quick Archive. The quickest and simplest method to archive files on the system is through Quick Archiving. Go to Nintendo System Settings by clicking on the cog button. Navigate to Data Management, then Quick Archive. Select the game you want to archive and click on Archive Data. Then OK. You must keep the storage in check as the console doesn't come with a lot of storage. 2. Calibrate the control sticks. After using the Nintendo Switch for a long time, its joysticks experience substantial wear and tear, due to which the user notices a lot of false inputs. This is called Joy-Con drift. If you are stuck by Joy-Con drift, you can reconfigure the controller. To do so, go to the System Settings and then head to Controllers and Sensors. Next, select Calibrate Control Sticks. 3. Configure Mtu Setting. If you need to increase the download or upload speed on your Nintendo Switch, configure the Maximum Transfer Units or MTU. To do so, connect the Switch to the Internet and go to Internet Settings. Next, select Wi-Fi, then change Settings. Change MTU from 1400 to 1500, then click on OK. This should improve your internet speed substantially. 4. Configure TV resolution settings to run games at a higher resolution. If you want to improve the graphics of your game when running in docked mode, you need to configure the TV resolution settings. Doing so will allow your Nintendo Switch to run at the resolution of your TV screen. So, if your console can only output a 720p image, whereas the TV is apt to render a 1080p image, go to Settings. Then select TV output and next TV resolution. Choose 1080p resolution. 5. Set Bluetooth audio. The first thing you need to do is update Switch to its latest version. To do so, navigate System Settings. Select System, then System Update and install the latest available update. After updating your device, go to System Settings, then Bluetooth Audio, and there you can pair a device with the Switch. 6. Turn on Cloud Save. Turning on the Cloud Save feature allows your game progress to be saved on the cloud. So if your device is stolen, lost or broken, your progress will not be lost. To do this, you must have a Nintendo Switch Online membership. Go to Settings and select Data Management. Choose Save Data Cloud, then select your profile. Wait till the process completes. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.